Okay, so I'll show how this tool works. I placed it in my scripts folder, this thing here, mysorter.mel. Simple little script that sorts things by the y-axis, the x-axis, etc. The way it works is that you keyframe your objects, starting with the end position, so that would be here. So let's say this will take like 1 second to move there. Do it 25 for European standard for a key. Should be a key, yeah. And then go to the before position, which I want it to be maybe up here. I could do some other things to it if I liked, but I'll just make it simple. Okay, so now I have a simple animation like this. So I just make sure that everything is selected, and then I run the script. Maybe I run it in the script editor so that you can see it. There. So just go you need to source it first if it wasn't present when you started my source. So that will source it, or just restart Maya and then just run the script. And what it does is that first it lists all of the objects, and this is the X position, by the way. I just made it like that, and it runs through the whole thing and sorts first the x-axis, then the z-axis, and then the y-axis components. And it just uses a simple bubble sort, so it takes a while. Okay, so now it's done, and what it does is it takes that list, the sorted list, and then it offsets everything by 1 frame. So in this case, where we have like a lot of objects, it will have made a lot of frames, since everything is offset. Actually, I'm wondering a little bit about why this is only 500. It should be more. Maybe I made a little mistake for the script, but you can see here how it works. So that now everything is executed like this. Seems like there's something that is not performing exactly as expected. Something wrong with the sorting at some of the points. I'm not quite sure why. Anyway, never mind. But you get the idea how this works. And then if this is too slow, what you can do is just have everything selected. And then open the graph editor. And it will look interesting like this. And then usually what I'll do is I'll delete by type static channels to get rid of all of the things that doesn't do anything. So in this case it'll all be translate Y. Interesting how this is, no, never mind. What I'll do is I'll go to the scale tool, and I'll make sure that it's set to manipulator. That means that when I select everything here, I will get this rectangle around everything. So I can just grab the edge over here and then drag it in. So that will change the speed accordingly. So it will be something like this. So it will be a 10-second, maybe make it shorter, like a 5-second thing. So now it should take 5 seconds. Build it quite quickly. So basically what you do when you set the first keyframes is you determine how much time one brick will take to move from up here to down here or whatever. and then when you run the script, it will offset each brick by 1 frame. And then when you scale it, you will make the total duration shorter, and at the same time change the timing of the movement. So in this case, where I scale it to like a third, so it will be like eight frames for it to go from up here to down there. So you have to take that into consideration when you do it. But yeah, that's it.